Welcome to the second episode of My Mom Thinks She Can Cook.
And for today, we're going to cook a super easy kanafa.
Yeah.
All we need is the shredded phyllo dough, 2 cups of sugar, some mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, some sweet cheese. You find that in the freezer section at the Arabic store. Some kanafa food coloring and a couple sticks of butter.
Kunafa.
Pause it.
Now time for a segment we call My Uncle Thinks He Can Chop. Uncle, come on down! We're about to melt 2 sticks of butter.
Okay, pause it.
We're microwaving it for 55 seconds.
Ready?
Yeah, and while we wait for that, what are we gonna do?
We're going to put the sweet cheese in the food processor first. So there we go.
I changed.
So then you want to blend it. Get your extension. Really nice. Alright, really blend it up, as you can see.
Let me do it a little bit more. Okay, and then I put the ricotta cheese in. Some of it didn't get completely blended. Okay, so here's the ricotta. I'm not going to put this whole container.
Ricotta.
I'll just put about half of this container. So that would be about 16 ounces.
16 ounces of ricotta.
Okay. So then I'm going to pulse that together. And now it's combining. Okay. And now I want to add the mozzarella cheese. And I don't put too much. I probably put about, I would say a cup, maybe.
Cup of mozzarella. Put the blender lid on.
All right, so that's combined. And now let's go
Let's go back to our butter.
butter. I'll let
Back.
you know when to,
All right.
you can start.
So
All
now
right, so now we're gonna.
take this kunafa.
This is kanafa food coloring. We're gonna
It's
sprinkle it on top.
kunafa.
Is that orange?
Okay, this is what makes its color. And then we're gonna pour the
Butter.
butter in. And then we're just gonna mix it all together. Okay, so now I'm gonna split the kanafa, the phyllo dough in half. So I'm gonna set half of it aside.
Santa Claus was a bishop who resided in Terra.
I think that's like half. And then I'm gonna spread the other half on the bottom of the sheet pan.
Nicholas, Santa Claus,
Just like this.
who resided at the Terra Church.
Did you say not North Pole?
Yeah.
Were you questioning whether he was from North Pole?
No, I was scrolling through something and it said.
All right.
and it said,
So
what
then
do
I'm
people
gonna, you
look
can
like if
put the cheese. Yeah, pause it. Okay, now I'm gonna take the cheese mixture that I made and I'm gonna lay it flat on the kanafa. It's going to be kind of like sandwiched in the middle. Okay. Okay, so now we put the layer of cheese, and now we're going to add the layer of kanafa. And just spread it nice and evenly. And since it's really buttery, it'll get nice and crispy in the oven.
Alright. So you want to add a nice layer of kanafa on top.
You could time lapse this part, like when I'm spreading it.
Right now?
No. As the kanafa is baking, you could start making the simple syrup. So we added 2 cups of sugar,
Yum.
1 cup of water,
Yep.
and a couple drops of lemon juice.
Lemon.
Lemon juice.
Okay? And then you just bring that to a boil and simmer it for 5 minutes.
Alright.
So it's been baking for about 20 minutes. So now we take it out.
Yum.
Okay. And the best part, this is when we add the syrup.
Yum.
You're gonna want to put the whole thing in, the whole 2 cups of sugar in.
Oh. Yeah, that's the whole crowd.
Here we go.
Throw it all in there. All of it. It's the best part.
Yep, don't leave a drip.
And now just let it kind of absorb for about 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. And it's best eaten when it's nice and fresh and hot.
So, this is what the kanafa looks like when it's done.
Now we can cut it
Cut, cut, cut.
and we can dig in. Yum, huh?
Yeah.
Aaliyah wants to try some.
Okay.
As always, remember to like and subscribe. Yum. Alright. We'll see you in the next video of My Mom Thinks She Can Cook.